Hey YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, which will be my Amazon affiliate link. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. And if you like this item, all you gotta do is click it, add it to your cart, and check out. And they'll ship this to you pretty fast. So hopefully everyone had a good day, guys. We are almost at the end of the year. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. But here we go. Let's see what's inside. And see what they sent us. If you like this item, just click the link. Add it to your cart. And check out. Ooh, baby. This is coming from... I'm gonna have to go downstairs. Shoot. RAYFOTO multimedia beamer. Alright, beamer beds and Bentley. LED lamp. There's good stuff there. And same thing on the side. Alright, let's take a look inside. This would be good to watch the big games coming up. Especially college football. And then Super Bowls. NHL. Wrestling, video games. Oh boy, she got some weight to it. There we go. And there we go. Comes with a nice little travel. Take this on the road. Ooh. Now you got the manual on here. RAYFOTO. Got some goodies in here. Got the cables, whatnot. HDMI. Audios. Got the remote. Okay, standard. Got the power. Alright, there, baby. Alright, let's take a look at the beast. Alright. That's a nice little travel baggie. RAYFOTO. Really nice. Okay. It's cold outside though. Boy, but ooh, this is a nice color. Alright. I'm liking this. Must be the speaker. Volume controls and all that good stuff. We're gonna have to set this up downstairs. Here's this side. Filter or something. Here we go. Alright. It's easy to turn. Here's the front. Make sure you remove that. Nice looking lens. Optical glass lens. High transmission. That's always a good thing. Here's the side. So you get 2 HDMI ports, which is a good bonus. 2 USBs, but you can also add the USB hub. And we've got here AV and headset jack. Power, pretty simple. And then bottom here, you can adjust it. It's kind of like a tripod. Now I'm not sure exactly what the viewing, so it all depends on how you have your game room, movie room set up. So it all depends on if you want to have it hanging from the ceiling. You can always get a tripod type deal, or you can use this. I don't know if you put it closer to the screen, or we'll just do a little test run the way I have it set up downstairs. I just got a basic tripod set up with a 100-inch screen, 120, somewhere around there. Pretty big one, but two and two. And I think you're gonna need some AAAs. These are looking like the Fire Stick remotes. Got this one glued on pretty good. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, see? And AAAs. So make sure you stock up on some AAAs, but Amazon has really good AAAs, so if you need a good deal on them, they got them. There we go. Yeah, pretty standard. We'll go downstairs. Here's a cord, and we'll hook this up in a test run. I probably have to do a YouTube video on it because of copyright. I'll just put one of mine to show you guys what it looks like. There we go. There we go. See? Pretty simple. And now we're going to test run it downstairs. Alrighty guys, hopefully you guys can see it. Look at that. It has really nice blue LED buttons. Really soft touch. And it works perfect. Got the screen up. Looking good. You could do iOS cast, mirror cast, AV, iOS cable, and then 2 HDMI slots. Zoom in right there. Multimedia, USB, all that good stuff. But she is super quiet though. But yeah, sorry about that. She is really super quiet. Got the IR sensor there. Got the remote right here. And then now we're going to try a video on my YouTube channel. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm going to shut the light off. Well, yeah, it looks good with the light on. I just got to make a few adjustments on my positioning. This might be too far, so I got to zoom it in more and still figure it out. But let me shut the light off. And you guys could, there we go. Yeah, look how clear that is, so we'll walk up a little bit closer. Oops. Oops, I'm in the way. So that's really good, guys, to watch sports, movies, you name it. Just click the link down below, check them out, RAYFOTO, and they'll ship this to you pretty fast. So if you guys are looking for an extra, maybe a gaming projector for your kids or whatnot, this is a perfect one to get. Crystal clear, got 2 HDMI ports. You guys can't beat that deal right now they got going on. So like I said, super clear, super easy to use, super easy to set up. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Happy New Year in case I don't see you. Until then, take it easy.